Alrighty, hi everyone. How are you today? Today's video is going to be Inktober prompt called kind, and that is so totally opposite of last week or the last video, which the prompt was crabby. So that's interesting that happens to be such a contrast. Um, on the last video I talked about our family event, our family reunion, and all the kind people I met that day. And I'm feeling very family reunion-y. So I'm thinking of maybe like a tree. I'm going to give myself thinking of some sort of tree shape. I do like that. I think I'm going to do like that, and then I'm going to put some sort of leaves or pattern or something on there. And I think I'm going to draw it in fun colors. Let's start with the yellow and the green. And maybe we'll add, I just have my gel pens here. I'm going to just gel pen it up. All of them? I think so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I only had 5. That's correct. Okay, let's start with, let's start with orange. We're just kind of winging it here. That's my general tree base. Then we're going to leaf it up. also kind of doing this as a thought process for upcoming bigger art project that I'm doing. I was kind of thinking tree shape, but I'm not sure if that's really what I want to do, so I'm kind of doing this also as a testy bit. This might not be exactly what I want for that project. Okay. So far, so good, though. All right. That's not horrible. But then I want swirls. Oh, the purple's not quite the color. We're going to do a couple of them in purple, though, because I started. You just really don't see it on the brown, do you? Not really. You see it better in the camera than I do in real life, which is good. Glad you guys can see it, because it's not really doing it for me. Although as it's drying, it's getting better. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah. See, I can hardly see that one, but that one's showing up better now. That's interesting. That's enough, I think. Let's do, I don't like berries. Clusters. Kind of clusters. I like the blue. Blue's making me happy. And I'm going to put some blue down here. And some of that purpley swirl. Just because. So we have a craft fair at church coming up in November. My husband wants me to make more of those puzzles. He thinks that that would be a good thing to sell. They're going to have to be expensive, though. Because, I was looking it up, just a custom puzzle from your photo at a good quality, trustworthy place can be somewhere between $15 and $30, depending on brand and size and so forth. I'm thinking I'm going to need I like these colors. These are fun. I think I'm going to need to charge like $50, which sounds like a lot, but you know, it was a lot of work. It was like, besides the putting the puzzle together in the first place, because you have to put the puzzle together first before you can paint on the puzzle. But just the painting portion, letting it dry, and the multiple layers of paint and hand painting and all of that, I think I'm going to have to charge like $50, because I really don't want to sell them anyways. I want to keep them for myself. But this needs to be more. Needs to have some more fun, more life. There we go. That's what it needed. And why this tree reminds me of kind is just the kindness from the family, and sort of family tree. That's what it's given me. There we go. Something simple. But yeah, I think I'm going to maybe sell some more puzzles. I'm going to scour the thrift stores. There's no need to buy puzzles at an expensive price when I'm just going to paint over them. So scour the thrift stores for cheapo puzzles, a couple bucks each. Put them together, give them a little spray paint, and do something on them. And I was thinking a design like this might be fun. So maybe something similar but not quite the same. I don't know. I don't know yet. Perhaps something that starts in the middle and works its way this way, because they are all rectangular. I don't know. We'll have to think about it. Anyways, you guys have a great day. This was a quick and easy one. That's good, because heaven knows I needed something that was simple to do. And I will see you guys on the next video. You guys have a great day. Do something nice for someone today. Oh, if you wouldn't mind clicking that subscribe button, hit like, share, subscribe, all the YouTube-y things, I would appreciate it, because yeah, that's how YouTube works. So that would be nice. Thank you very much, and I will see you guys later. Bye bye.